Happy Easter. Let's get dressed to church. So I am wearing this H&M dress. This is how it looks. Let's style it up for church. I'm gonna put on these earrings. Necklace is on, earrings are on. I just wanted to elevate the dress a little bit more. I'm going to be using these two items right here. These are Tutu Skirt. This is a mini one and this is a knee length tutu. You can find them on Amazon. So I'm going to start with the longer one. That the dress has some volume to it. I want to add a little bit more to make it a little bit exaggerated. Okay. Now I have elevated my dress from a basic A-line dress. I want my waistline to be defined because right now it's looking a little bit boogered. So let's cinch it down. So I like it like this, and let's add the blazer. Ooh. Let's get to purse. I'm doing this D&G white purse with gold and black details. I do have more looks from H&M which just dropped on my latest YouTube video. The link in my bio to check them out. Happy Easter, guys.